What is up, YouTube? This is your girl Jessica Catherine, and I'm here with another video. Valentine's Day is coming up in a couple days, and I'm doing my hair, and I just wanted to come and share with you guys like how I do my hair. Normally I do my hair natural, you know, I might straighten it, I might do a twist out, this, that, and the third, but it's Valentine's Day and I want some length. Okay, so I was thinking about doing black, but this is not my hair color at the moment. My natural hair is blonde. So what y'all think about the black? What y'all think about the black? Because I don't think I'm going with she. So this is what it's looking like now. It's a long wig. This is a half a wig. This is normally what I wear when I want to switch things up, because I'm not really into like the lace fronts. Like, I'm really scared of them, and I think they're gonna like pull my edges out, and I just never got like, I never moved into that trend, because this is what works for me and I like having my actual scalp showing. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my half a wigs, and we're gonna bring half a wigs back for 2021 or whenever you watch this video, because half a wigs is nice. Okay, as you can see, my hair is blonde. It is not black. But what y'all think about the black? I don't think I'm gonna go with she, but she cute. She look natural. I mean, my natural hair color is dark, so it's coming through, so I can like finesse this with my edges. But like, what y'all think about the black? What y'all think about she? I think she cute. You know, I like the length. I'm gonna show you guys the blonde real quick, but what y'all think about the black? Do y'all like the black? All right, this is a blonde. Like, get into the blondes. Get into the blondes. Get into it. Get into it. I'm giving you very much so Beyonce. I'm giving you very much so Honey Boo Child. I'm giving you very much so, okay? And this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna go with. Should I bang her? Should I bang her? So like my other wigs, I normally bang them, like either do a half a bang or something like that. But you see this wig, she's very much so like heart shaped. She's very much so split. But to avoid putting out a whole bunch of leave out, I normally just put a bang here. Cut me a cute bang. How would the bangs look? I think the bangs would be cute, bitch. I think the bangs would be cute. But you know what? I'm going to still lay her down. I'm going to still lay her down and I'm going to bang her. I'm going to lay her down and bang her. So stay tuned. All right, what we're going to do first is, you see the bone of the wig, right? We're going to take out our leave out. Well, I would show you like my braid pattern, but we're not even going to do that on YouTube. You're not even about to catch me on YouTube like that with my Allen Iversons. We're not doing that. So braid your hair back in cornrows. If you don't know how to do cornrows, check out YouTube. They have plenty of videos on how to do cornrows. So leave out your leave out right here. Take out your leave out and then braid the rest, so that when you put the wig on, you can hide the bone. And that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna take your hair. We're gonna start pulling it out. You see? You don't see the bone now. The size of it, you see? You don't see the bone really right here. So that's good. We don't take out too much hair, because you know, you could adjust the wig to where you don't see the bone. Like, you know, I'm gonna lay this down, but you don't see the bone of the wig anymore. So we're gonna do that for the other side. You see? You see the bone? You don't see the bone. All right. You see? Don't pull out too much hair. I almost pulled out too much hair right there. And you see, sometimes you adjust the wig and now you don't see the bone. So this is where we at right now. You know, if I really wanted to freak this out like this, and I only pulled out my hair, if I really wanted to freak this out, I could. As you can see. Like, you know, just some quick stuff. But I'm gonna show you guys just for video purposes. First, we gotta secure this bad boy. When you decide on your leave out, right? I take this comb, put the comb on your scalp, and if you could still see the bone of the comb, you could still see the bone of the wig. So you see, this is a good leave out. One thing that I really love about half wigs is the fact that they come with a long, wide comb to secure it down. So this is secure. Just, you know, take your leave out over and secure her with the combs. And I'm going to use 4 bobby pins to secure her on the sides and at the tops. So like I said about the bone, like you want to just place it where you won't see the bone. So I'll place that right there. So we're gonna place her forward. You see, like sometimes if you move it forward or a little back, hold on. Probably take a little bit more out right here. Just like that. There we go. And we're gonna secure her down to make sure she stays in place. So we're gonna take the side right here. We're gonna secure her down. Probably take out a little bit more right here and secure it. Probably take out a little bit more. And sometimes if you pull it to the front, you'll lose that bone, especially right here on the side. See? That's why we secure her, because she will slide back on the sides. She might stay secure up here, but she will slide back on the sides. Same thing goes for this one. You see, you don't see the bone. You bring it forward sometimes and it looks a little better. I'm gonna pull out some more hair right here. All right, we're gonna bring it forward and you see, you don't see the bone. Not right there, it's good. And there we have it, folks. There we have it. Bone be gone. If I wanted to flip my hair, I could, you see? This is why I like half a wigs, because now we're on. We are secure. Another thing I love, they got the back one, so you just put that back there like that. Boom. Now you're ready for the wind to blow. You know, you don't have to worry about a fake scalp, like, you know. Now you're Gucci. I can walk outside like this. But we're going to fix these edges. We're gonna lay them down. First thing you wanna do is pin your hair back and pull your leave out to the front. I got the Got To Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. So this is what we're gonna use for our front. You know, first we're gonna apply it to the ends. I like to apply it to the ends first because we're gonna do something funky with the base to make sure that when you gel it down, the bone does not show. Sometimes when you gel things down, you might gel it slick down to the bone and then the bone will expose itself. And you don't want that. So we're gonna start with the edges, with the tips. And we're gonna leave the roots a little kinky. We don't want the roots to be like ultra slick down. We're gonna leave them a little kinky so they can hide that bone. Just make sure you saturate it. And we're gonna take our comb and I want you to comb out the ends and comb them into the wig. Make sure you hit those ends first. Do not rip through your hair with this gel in your hair. It's edge time. Now, before we, glue this bad boy down in place, I'm gonna take out our edges. I'm gonna take our brush. We're gonna start working that magic. It's really hard for me to do my edges on camera, but you do your edges however you do your edges, boo-boo. But you see how right here, you see how you can't see anything. You can't see that it's a wig. It looks smooth. So yeah, you see, we're just gonna brush right there. You don't want to slick that part down so bad, because you see we hide the bone that way. There we go. I get the gist of it. You know, now it's time for you to, you know, apply more gel, smooth, you know, fix your edges, you know, and dry. I'm gonna show y'all how to dry. When you drying, you don't want to, you know, flatten it. You don't want to put a bonnet on or nothing like that. So that's why you use the Got To Be Glue gel, because it dries really fast and it's gonna hold it in place. Because if you like pin your hair down, you're gonna flatten your hair down to the bone, and the bone is gonna be, it's gonna be a line bone right there. But after you get your edges out and you have everything in place, you do your final comb over, because at this point everything is getting hard. You do your final comb over, especially towards, like, you know, the hair part, because we're actually, you know, gluing our hair to the hair part. You put your final casting of glue. Put your final casting of glue. I just wanted to tell y'all that important part, because all that combing and stuff is breaking the casting of what we're trying to do. So do your final casting. So after you do our final casting, we're gonna use the blow dryer. We're gonna blow dry. We got a regular blow dryer, you know, whatever blow dryer your choice, take the comb off. And first we're gonna blow dry it back, and then we're gonna take it out, and I'm gonna tell you why. When you blow dry and smooth the edges, don't smooth right here. Don't smooth the bone. Please don't smooth the bone. You see? Because if you smooth the bone, it'll do stuff like that. We smoothed out the ends. Make sure you dry the ends. Now, don't dry the ends till it's completely dry. Dry it like 50%. Not even 50%. Like until you feel it sticking. And then we're going to pull it out. You see? You see how that works? Don't pull it out all the way so fast. Just pull it out a little bit so that your hair don't get stuck back. And, you know, if we wanted to do a bouffant, if we wanted to do, you know, leave our hair like that, leave it back, we could have. But that's not what we're doing right now. We're just laying the edges. And we're doing it unnecessarily because, as you can see, like, I really didn't have to do all of that. But for all intents and purposes, we laid. Wig wear. So just dry your hair. I'm gonna show you guys how to dry your hair from this point forth. What we want to do is start to shape our hair back down. That's the whole point. If we would have dried our hair back, it would have been dry back. But we want our hair to lay forward. So, you know, this Got To Glue gel will dry your hair in place, and it will not move. It's not Gorilla Glue. It will move if you put some grease on it or some whatever, which what we're gonna do later. You know, you can do that, put some oil on it to soften it up, because it's gonna get hard. Like, it's nothing you could do. So we're just gonna start gently blow dry our hair and pull our hair forward. Pull the ends. Don't mess with the roots. Pull the ends. Another thing, put your hair forward. Now, where you really want to pull, don't pull a whole wig. Try to pull the edges of the wig. Like these parts, you know. I'm gently pulling and drying. The ends. Gently pulling and drying. With the top, we're going to dry it down like this. You might want to dry it down like that. We're going to do that in a second. So since I'm banging her, I'm gonna dry the top down like this. And be careful with this heat, because the heat might dry it. The heat might straighten out, you know, your wig. I like a good synthetic wig. And that's pretty much it. You see it's dry? It's drying. From there you can like, you know, play with it. Make sure it's free flowing. Just loosening up the hair. So if I wanted to wear my hair like this, I could. If I wanted to wear my hair up, I could. Though if the wind blows, you know. So we're on, we're flat, we're ready to be banged. We're ready to be banged. Now, when you are banging curly hair, you're cutting curly hair, you do not pull the hair. You just cut. And we're done. And, you know, if I wanted to wear it to the side, I could wear a little side action. All right, so there we have it, folks. We are ready. We are ready. She's 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 ready. This is cute, bitch. This is kind of cute. But as you can see, like, I'm ready. All right, so this is the final results. I don't have no makeup on, no lashes. This is just straight hair. You know when your hair is cute, you don't need nothing, boo. When your hair is cute, you don't need nothing, boo. Look, boo, you see that? Do you see that, bitch? Do you see that, bitch? I know you see that shit, bitch. I know you see that bling, bitch. Okay? When you blend that motherfucking edges into the edges of the wig, bitch. Can't tell you nothing. It's gonna get hard, but just crunch it out. You know, this got to bleed gel is serious. But who the fuck you talking to? Because bitches ain't talking to me. And I'm ready to... She's ready. Now it's time for so long. But we'll sing just one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. Thanks to me and you. And Jessica too. You can do anything that you wanna do. You can do anything. Like, share, subscribe. Bring back the half a wigs. Like, bring back your natural motherfucking hairline. Like, stop with these motherfucking fake hairlines. Because niggas, you ain't fooling nobody. Stop with the motherfucking screen motherfucking parts. Like, don't do it. Love you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.